not least, I had originally prepared a video to talk about meal planning and why it's important for your health. And now, due to the coronavirus, it is now all the more imperative that we plan ahead for our meals. By now, most people should know what meal planning is and what meal prep is all about. As the world is coming together to fight this virus, we as individuals must also do our part to promote self-responsibility and social distancing. So what does meal planning has to do with COVID-19? Let's explore together. Meal planning for your health. One of the first line of defense against the coronavirus is to have a strong immune system, and that starts with your diet. Meal planning allows you to know exactly what you are eating, how much you are eating, and how your food makes you feel. When you understand exactly what your body needs to make you feel healthy and strong, you can structure your meals in a way that ensure you are providing your body with all the essential vitamins and minerals to keep your immunity at its best level. Meal planning for the community. One of the best things you can do now is to practice social distancing. That means to stay at home and not go anywhere unless necessary. Meal planning allows you to decide what you eat ahead of time. Doing this not only saves you the headache of figuring out what to eat every day, it ensures that you are getting enough nutrients for your body. At the same time, since you already know what you will be eating, you can just buy what you need rather than stocking up on a bunch of unnecessary stuff. This helps to ensure everyone gets their share of food as well. Buy only what you need and save some for others. Meal planning saves you money. As mentioned, planning ahead gives you the peace of mind to know that you are eating a balanced and nutritious diet. In the world now, many people are going into panic buying mode out of fear. I mean, supermarkets have warehouses and food supplies are not declining. Why spend a ton of money stocking up on food? If people are actually stocking up on instant noodles and canned food, seriously people, isn't the whole point here to try and stay healthy? How is eating instant noodle and canned food every day gonna keep you healthy? So please save your health and save your money by buying fresh, wholesome foods. Conclusion: meal planning is essential now more than ever. Therefore, meal planning should serve as a guide to ensure that you have a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals, but always be flexible and you can easily sort out whatever food that's available for you right now. This applies to both cooking your own meal and ordering in. But for those of you who don't know how to cook, it may be quite tedious to keep ordering in, and that's why in my next video, I'm going to show you my top 10 kitchen essentials. These are the things that I use every day to prepare my meals, and you may be surprised at how much food you can make with just a few essential condiments and tools. I'll see you in my next video. In the meantime, stay happy and healthy!